this Jamaican just enjoying winter because yeah, it's the best season ever. Okay, let's go. Let's race.
I'm not for racing.
I just need to remember what's the turn. Come on, come on. It's a wide sequence. That's the last one. Turning on this thing is so frustrating. Why is turning so hard? I don't know. Hey guys, welcome to another Jamaican Tales video. Jamaican living in Germany. And happy because there is finally snow, and it's a sunny, beautiful day. Walking in a winter wonderland. Minus like 4 degrees Celsius. I was in Bavaria. I went to Zugspitze, which is like the highest peak in Germany. So that was like really great just being back there. And that was also one of the first places I visited. Just being there and just looking at the mountains, like every step of the way was just like one of the most amazing feelings. And one of the biggest highlights was I saw the word earlier today, tobogagging. You have sled or sleigh and then you just shoot down the mountains. Go, 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 go! Perfect! Whoa! I didn't fall! I didn't fall! Whoa! Whoa! I'm a pro now. Did that happen to you as well? My face was frozen. This part of my face was just like covered in ice. Ah. That was awesome. That thing was crazy. Crazy adrenaline rush. Why is turning so hard? At first I couldn't get the hang of it. Whoa! I didn't fall! But then that started to work out. And the crazy part about it was like, if you miss a turn, you'd end up like on the ski path. It was crazy just how fast I was going sometimes. I think I was also surprised at how much snow was just like kicking up. This was also the place where I fell in love with Germany, I would say. Because Garmisch-Partenkirchen was one of the very first places that I visited in Germany. I arrived in Munich, but then the next day I was like down there. Alright, let's do this. Here we go. Yeah! Woo! I saw the mountains, I saw a bit of nature, and I was like, whoa. This country is awesome. When I saw that, I was like, yeah, I want to study here one day. 8 years later, going back there and just seeing kind of where it all started. There are so many highlights there. Even walking on the frozen lake. I feel the vibrations here. Eibsee is this lake I've always wanted to see. Whoa! Okay, this is crazy. I should really learn something, but I've not learned all this time. I have better shoes. And what did I decide to wear? My old running shoes. Because yeah, Oshando is crazy and he sometimes doesn't really think about things. I had these shoes on last week. Same problem, they're running shoes, so they're like really well ventilated, that they also get wet very quickly. Still haven't learned anything. Just taking a hike, enjoying the winter scenery because I've not had enough of it this winter. It's the best season ever. Finally some snow. Happy winter, guys. Happy winter. When the sun is shining like this, what more can you want out of life? Yeah, happiness. Best way to end a nice day out in the cold. Ice cream. The best thing about eating ice cream in winter when it's super cold is that you can enjoy it and you don't have to race against time because it's not melting. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.